Good morning, Ma'am. I am Javiel Pillamas, 37 of age. I am living at Barangay Hainasor, Hamindan, Capiz, Philippines. I'm high school graduate from Mapaya National High School in San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. Before graduate high school, I'm working student of hotel, restaurant, and helper San Jose Occidental, Mindoro, year 2005 to 2006. My previous employer have 3 kids, which is 1 year old boy, 8 years old boy, and 13 years old girl. Located at Manila, Philippines. House have 1,000 square meter. They have 4 members, my son, my daughter, and my husband. I am stay in free food and personal hygiene, like bath soap, shampoo, toothbrush, and toothpaste. I have rest every weekend. I am not comfortable with other helper. Yes, I do love cooking Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn new. Yes, I love pigs and I do not have tattoos and my body. Have a nice day. Thank you.